Now see page number 91. Exercise 11.1. Very easy. Question number 1. How many points does a line contain? How many points does a line contain? So it is a line. So endless points are there, infinity. In a line there you cannot count the points in the line, so it is infinity. You can extend this line both sides endlessly. So if number infinity points are there. Number 2, how many line can pass through a given point? Number 2, suppose this is a point, so you can pass this is a point, so you cannot count, so infinity, so it is also infinity. Number 2. Like this. So number 2, how many lines can pass through a given point? Infinity. Answer. Number 3, how many lines can pass through any two given point? Any two given point. One point is there, another point is there. So how many lines can pass through any given point? Only one line. Only one line can pass through a given point. Suppose this is A, this is B. Only one line can pass through two given points. Number 4, mark 2 points P and Q on your notebook. So it is you do yourself. P and Q. Mark 2 points P and Q. P and Q 2 points on your notebook and draw line passing through it and line passing through it. Suppose P Q. So you can only one line you can draw, and so only one line can draw. So very easy. Then 5. Draw a 5-sided polygon and shade its interior. Shade it in 5. Number 5. Draw a 5-sided polygon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided polygon. It is a 5-sided polygon. Polygon, what is polygon? A closed figure bounded by 3 or more line segments. 3 or more line segments. So polygon is started first triangle, 3-sided triangle, then quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, like this. So it is a pentagon 5-sided polygon, and shade it and polygon and shade its interior. It is interior. This portion is shaded interior. It is exterior. This side outside, the exterior. So you shade yourself. It is interior. Then 6. Count the line segments in each of the following figures. First of all, A, B, C. This is a triangle is given here. A, B, C, D. So count the line segments. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is long. 6. 6 line segments are there. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 6. And another one. 6 line segments are there in figure 6. Figure A. 6 line segments are there. 6 line segments are there. And there B. B. It is a. So this figure. So how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and diagonal 5. So 5 line segments are there in this figure. Then another one, number C. Number C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line segments are there. Then what is the difference between a line and line segment? Difference between line and line segment. Line is a collection of points which can extend in both sides. Line can extend in both sides. It has no end points. Line has no end points. But line segments has two end points. It is line segment. It is A, B. Line is line A and B. Endlessly you can extend in both sides. But line segment, it is a part of a line which has two end points. This is the difference. Then in the interior of the circle, number next 8, interior and exterior. 8, a figure is given here. Name the points which are on the exterior of the circle. This is the circle, exterior of the circle. Outside, W is the exterior of the circle. Y, X, Y, X. These are exterior, and in the interior of the circle, PQR, PQR, it is the interior of the circle. On the boundary of the circle, boundary circle O is given. It is O, it is boundary of the circle. And M is on the boundary of the circle. M also on the boundary of the circle. So interior within the circle, exterior outside the circle, and boundary on the boundary line. So this is question number 8. Then number 9, next page. Next page, in the figure 9, in the given figure, identify and write the following. In the given question number 9, page number 92, in the given figure, identify and write the following. One line. So, in the figure, it is the figure. Figure is given. This figure is given. So one line, identify one line. So P R, it is one line. So you can extend this in the both sides endlessly. So it is a line. Line has no. Line has one line. So this is PQ is a line. And PR, it is a line. You can extend both sides. It is a line. Then 4 rays. It is one ray. It has one end point. You can extend this endlessly. This is also a ray. It has the end points. So this is a ray. This is a ray. Then 4 rays. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rays are there. Then 2 line segments. So 2 line segments. QR, QP, these are line segments. It is this part is a part of a line. It is a line segment. It has 2 endpoints. Then 3 collinear points. PQR. What do you mean of collinear points? 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie in the same straight line. So PQR lie in the same straight line, so it is collinear. Next, number 10. Draw and name the following figure. A. Polygon with 3 sides. What do you mean by polygon? What is the definition of polygon? It is already described earlier. A closed figure bounded by three or more line segments is called a polygon. A closed figure bounded by three or more line segments is called a polygon. So a polygon with three sides. Suppose A, B, C. It is a polygon and it has three sides. Number B. A polygon with five sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Polygon with five sides. It is called pentagon. Then polygon with four sides. Polygon with C. Polygon with four sides. Square, rectangle, quadrilateral. Any all quadrilateral are four-sided polygon. Then next question 11. Classify the following as a line segment or ray. Question number 11. A. It is given here A. So whether it is a line segment or ray, it is a line because you can extend both sides endlessly. So it has no end point, so it is a line. Then PQ. It is a what? Ray because it is one end points and you can extend this side endlessly up to infinity. So it is a ray. And again A, B, number C. It is also a line. You can extend. It has no end points. You can extend in both sides endlessly. And PQ, no sign is given. So it is a line segment. No arrow mark is given. And then again RS, it is also a ray. Then 12, see the figure. Question number 1. Identify the closed figure in the following. Question number 1 is closed figure. It is already explained earlier, closed figure and open figure. Closed figure, it is closed figure. Suppose this is a triangle, closed figure, but it is not closed. It is open figure. There is a gap. It is open figure. So first figure is closed figure, and number B open figure. Only it is a curved line. C it is open figure. D closed figure. E closed figure, and F closed figure. Today up to this. Next day we will discuss next same chapter, angle and polygon, etc., adjacent angle, etc., etc. Today up to this. Okay, bye. Thank you.